In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the data source for a pivot table in Excel. Changing the data source is really useful when your original data range has grown, shrunk, or moved, and you want your pivot table to reflect those updates without rebuilding it from scratch. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can confidently update your pivot table anytime your data changes. First, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet that contains the pivot table you want to update. Make sure you can also see or easily access the sheet where your source data lives, because you'll need to select it in a moment. Click anywhere inside the pivot table. This is important, because Excel only shows the pivot table specific tools when your cursor is actually inside that pivot table. Once you click inside, you should see new options appear in the ribbon at the top of Excel, usually called Pivot Table Analyze or Options, depending on your version, along with a Design tab. Next, go to the Pivot Table Analyze or Options tab on the ribbon. In this tab, look for the command that says Change Data Source. It's typically in the group labeled Data or similar. Click on Change Data Source, and a dialog box will pop up. This box shows you the current range or table that your pivot table is using. Now, you'll choose the new data range. If your data is on the same sheet, you can simply drag to highlight the new range. If it's on a different sheet, click that sheet first. Then click and drag to select the updated range, including your headers. Take an extra second here to make sure all your columns and rows that should be in the pivot table are included, especially if you've recently added new data at the bottom or added new columns. Once you've selected the correct range, confirm it in the dialog box. When you're happy with the selection, click OK. Excel will update the pivot table, so it's now based on this new data source. If you've extended the range, you should see new items or updated totals after a refresh. If it doesn't update immediately, right-click anywhere inside the pivot table and choose Refresh. That's all there is to it. By updating the data source instead of rebuilding the pivot table, you save time and keep your reports consistent as your data evolves.